Imagine launching your own hosting affiliate business in less than an hour. Without coding, without hiring freelancers, and without creating content from scratch. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what AI Host claims to do. In this video, I'm going to show you what AI Host is, how it works, and whether it can actually help you generate affiliate commissions online. Let's be honest. Starting an online business today is difficult. You need a website. You need content. You need traffic. And most importantly, you need something people are already buying. That's where web hosting comes in. Millions of websites need hosting every year, creating a massive market opportunity for affiliate marketers. AI Host is designed to help beginners enter this market faster by creating hosting-focused affiliate sites and AI-powered content. AI Host is a platform focused on AI-powered hosting solutions and affiliate marketing opportunities. According to the company, it provides AI-enhanced hosting infrastructure and tools that can help users build and promote hosting-related websites. Instead of spending weeks building a website manually, the platform aims to simplify the process and help users get started quickly. Step: access the platform first. You log into the AI Host system. No coding experience is required. Step 2. Create your site. The software helps generate a hosting-focused affiliate website. Pages, content, and structure are created automatically. Step 3. Add affiliate links. Connect your preferred hosting affiliate offers and monetization methods. Step 4. Drive traffic. Use YouTube videos, social media content, SEO, and short-form videos to bring visitors to your site. Step 5. Earn commissions. When someone purchases through your affiliate links, you can earn commissions depending on the affiliate program you're promoting. Here are some things I like about AI. Host beginner. Friendly. AI-powered content creation. Faster website. Setup. Opportunity to promote high-demand hosting services. Potential recurring affiliate income. No technical experience required. According to the company, their hosting services focus on AI-powered optimization, cloud solutions, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, and web hosting solutions. Who should use it? This platform may be suitable for affiliate marketers, content creators, YouTubers, bloggers, side hustlers, beginners looking for online income opportunities. If you've been searching for a business model that doesn't require creating your own product, this may be worth exploring. Let's be realistic. No software can guarantee income. Your results will depend on traffic, marketing skills, consistency, and the quality of your content. AI Host is a tool, not a magic button. If you'd like to learn more about AI Host and see whether it's a good fit for your online business goals, check out the link in the description below. You can explore the features, pricing, and current offers for yourself. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI business opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.